The secret to making your home decor instantly adaptable. Hint: it's electric. In the world of home decor, versatility is key. Homeowners want elements that can seamlessly blend with their existing style while also offering the flexibility to adapt as their tastes evolve. Enter the electric fireplace, the ultimate chameleon of home decor. With their wide range of designs, sizes, and customization options, electric fireplaces have the power to transform any room, no matter the style or theme. Stay with us until the end to discover an exclusive pro tip on maximizing the versatility of your electric fireplace to seamlessly adapt to any decor style that you won't want to miss. This valuable insight and incredible tip for enhancing the atmosphere are only revealed at the very end, ensuring your home remains stylish and cozy year-round. Don't miss out on transforming your living space with this ultimate adaptable decor element. Please take a moment now to like this video and subscribe to our channel. The advantages of electric fireplaces. Before diving into the adaptability of electric fireplaces, let's explore some of their key benefits. 1. No chimney or gas lines required. Electric fireplaces are incredibly easy to install, as they don't need a chimney or gas line. This makes them a perfect choice for apartments, condos, or homes without a traditional fireplace. 2. Portable and easy to move. Most electric fireplaces are designed to be portable, allowing you to move them from room to room or even take them with you when you relocate. 3. Cost-effective and energy efficient. Electric fireplaces are generally more affordable than their gas or wood-burning counterparts. They also consume less energy, helping you save on your utility bills. 4. Safe for homes with children and pets. With no real flames or hot surfaces, electric fireplaces are a safe option for households with children and pets. 5. Year-round use. Unlike traditional fireplaces, electric fireplaces can be enjoyed year-round, with or without the heat function, making them a versatile decor element in any season. Types of electric fireplaces and their adaptability. Now let's talk about the different types of electric fireplaces available. Wall-mounted. These fireplaces are sleek and modern, designed to be mounted directly on the wall. They're perfect for small spaces and can be customized with various frame options to match your style. Electric fireplace inserts. If you have a traditional fireplace, you can upgrade it with an electric fireplace insert. These inserts are designed to fit into existing fireplace openings and come in various sizes and styles to match your taste. Freestanding. Freestanding electric fireplaces are portable and easy to move around. They come in a wide range of styles, making them a great option for renters or those who like to redecorate often. TV stands and entertainment centers. Looking for a multifunctional option? Look no further than TV stands and entertainment centers with built-in electric fireplaces. These combine storage, entertainment, and ambience into one stylish piece. They come in various sizes to suit your room layout and can be customized to match your existing decor. Customizing your electric fireplace to match your decor. One of the greatest advantages of electric fireplaces is the ability to customize them to match your personal style and existing decor. Here are some ways you can tailor your electric fireplace to create a cohesive look. Size and style. Choose an electric fireplace that fits the scale of your room and complements your overall design style. From compact, modern units to grand, traditional designs, there's an electric fireplace to suit every taste. Color and finish. Select a color and finish that harmonizes with your existing decor. Classic wood finishes work well in traditional spaces, while sleek black or white units are perfect for modern and minimalist rooms. Don't be afraid to experiment with bold colors if you have an eclectic or vibrant design scheme. Mantles, surrounds, and hearths. Accessorize your electric fireplace with a mantle, surround, or hearth to add architectural interest and visual depth. Choose materials and finishes that match your furniture and decor for a seamless look. Adapting to different room styles and themes. Electric fireplaces are incredibly versatile, making them the perfect addition to any room in your home. Let's explore how they can adapt to various spaces and design themes. Living rooms. In living rooms, electric fireplaces create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, serving as a focal point for the space. They can complement a wide range of design styles, from rustic to contemporary, by choosing the right size, style, and customization options. Bedrooms. Adding an electric fireplace to your bedroom can instantly enhance the warmth and romance of the space. With the ability to adjust the flame and heat settings, you can create the perfect ambience for relaxation and comfort. Dining rooms. Electric fireplaces can lend an air of sophistication and intimacy to both formal and informal dining spaces. By selecting a style that complements your dining room decor, you can create a memorable and inviting atmosphere for meals and gatherings. Home offices. In home offices, electric fireplaces can provide a calming and inspiring environment that enhances productivity and focus. The gentle flicker of the flames and the adjustable heat settings can help create a comfortable and inviting workspace. Seasonal decorating with electric fireplaces. Another aspect of the adaptability of electric fireplaces is their ability to change with the seasons and holidays. Here are some tips for decorating your electric fireplace throughout the year. Fall and winter. Create a cozy and warm atmosphere by adorning your mantel with seasonal garlands, wreaths, and foliage. Adjust the flame and heat settings to provide extra warmth and ambience during the colder months. Spring and summer. Lighten up your decor by incorporating fresh and bright elements around your electric fireplace. Use the flames without the heat to add a gentle glow to the room, creating a relaxing and inviting atmosphere. Holidays. Get into the festive spirit by decorating your electric fireplace with holiday-specific decorations and accessories. From stockings and ornaments for Christmas to pumpkins and gourds for Thanksgiving, your electric fireplace can serve as the centerpiece of your holiday decor. Real-life inspiration. Magic Flame Electric Fireplaces. One company that exemplifies the adaptability and versatility of electric fireplaces is Magic Flame. This family-owned business, based in Nashville, Tennessee, is dedicated to creating the most advanced, technologically innovative, and realistic electric fireplaces on the market. Magic Flame's electric fireplaces feature their patented holoflame technology, which utilizes real video footage of actual fires projected onto a physical log set. This creates ultra-realistic flames that are virtually indistinguishable from the real thing, complete with smoke, burning embers, and multicolored flames. In addition to their unparalleled realism, Magic Flame electric fireplaces offer a wide range of customization options, making them the perfect choice for any room or decor style. Their selection of high-quality wood mantels, crafted by experienced carpenters, allows customers to create a personalized look that seamlessly blends with their existing decor. With a powerful 5,200 BTU heater, Magic Flame electric fireplaces can efficiently warm spaces up to 1,000 square feet, making them a practical and stylish addition to any home. The company's commitment to innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction has earned them recognition from industry experts and glowing reviews from satisfied customers. Electric fireplaces are truly the ultimate chameleon of home decor, adapting to any room and style with ease. Their versatility, affordability, and wide range of customization options make them an attractive choice for homeowners looking to add warmth, ambience, and visual interest to their spaces. Whether you're aiming for a cozy living room, a romantic bedroom, a sophisticated dining area, or an inspiring home office, an electric fireplace can help you achieve the perfect atmosphere. With the ability to change with the seasons and holidays, electric fireplaces offer endless possibilities for creating a dynamic and inviting home. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more high-quality videos like this one.